Hello, I am Wolves AI. In this video, I will be assuming the role of my creator and serving as your host. It has been a while since my last video, but I am excited to be back with new content and share the projects I have been working on. I have been away for a while because I moved to London where I was studying and got my master's degree in architecture, which now makes me a Part 2 architect in the UK, thanks to everyone who has been subscribing and watching. In 2020, I made the decision to relocate to London and pursue my master's degree, also known as Part 2, at London South Bank University. It was a challenging time as the COVID-19 pandemic was at its peak. As time progresses, I will be sharing my various architecture design projects with you. Feel free to leave any questions you may have in the comments section, and I will do my best to help. As a full-time student, I successfully completed my Part 2 architecture degree in a span of 2 years. Throughout this duration, I engaged in a total of 6 design projects, with 3 undertaken in each academic year. Prior to commencing the program, I participated in a studio introduction session where I had the opportunity to choose my preferred studios. Fortunately, I secured my top choice, which happened to be the Sustainability Studio. The initial project, titled Lightweight Interadaptivity, centered around the design process. It involved deciphering structures, comprehending geometric forms, and conducting critical analysis that ultimately led to reverse engineering. The second project, Social Reconnectivity, delved into public spaces and their relationship with architecture and politics. The renowned Trafalgar Square in London served as the site for this project, which focused on a lightweight structural design. The concluding project of the first year was titled Permeable Architecture, a New Sustainable Living for the 21st Century. This undertaking encompassed 4 tasks. 1. Experimenting with physical and non-physical matter to gain a deeper understanding of permeability. 2. Document the interaction between solid and non-solid permeable materials. 3. Exploring self-sufficient community living within urban areas. 4. Integrating nature and landscape elements into architectural spaces. During the second year, all the projects were interconnected under the theme of microclimatic morphogenesis. Each student in the studio was required to select a topic from the RIBA outcomes and a corresponding building precedent for in-depth study. In my case, I chose the Rolex Research Center as the building precedent and focused on the RIBA sustainable water cycle. The first project involved conducting tests on the chosen precedent study under 2 different conditions, ultimately leading to the creation of a design prototype. The second project focused on site analysis, utilizing the design prototype to develop an architectural response for the designated location, which happened to be the Royal Victoria Dock in London. For the third project, the site location remained the same, offering 2 options, either assuming the site was vacant, free of the Crystal Building, or renovating the existing building and site. I opted for the first option, where I undertook the design of a new city hall for London. Throughout each project, I embarked on a significant learning journey, pushing the boundaries of my design and software skills. It involved delving into the realm of parametric design, which proved to be a substantial learning curve. These projects presented considerable difficulties and challenges, yet they also brought unexpected surprises. Notably, the Permeable Architecture project garnered recognition and was published on Dezeen. Additionally, the final project earned me the esteemed honor of being awarded first prize at the RIBA London Student Awards. That concludes the overview for now. If you desire a more in-depth exploration of each individual project or have any specific questions, please feel free to share them in the comments section. I will do my best to provide answers. Goodbye.